In this video, I'm going to share with you a very simple method for making the sealant that is visible on so many aircraft canopies. Stay tuned! Hello my friends! Here is what we are going to need for our project. A sheet of transparent decal paper, scalpel or hobby knife, a ruler of some sort, water-based acrylic paint and clear varnish, decal setting solution, decal softening solution, and some warm water. Now let's see the decal paper types. First we have transparent carrier film, the one we need for this task. Second we have the white carrier film. Then each of those has inkjet and laser printer variants. If you want to print on your decal paper, choose accordingly. You can find links for the decal paper in the description. The next step is to airbrush the color of your choice on the decal paper. For obvious reasons, do not apply wet coats. After your paint is dry, apply a protective layer of clear varnish. Since we are making weather strips, we need to cut strips from the decal. Obviously, the width will depend on the scale you are working in. After a minute in the warm water, the decal will separate from the backing paper. Some agitation with a soft brush will help it. Take the decal out of the water and remember which side is the one with the adhesive. Or you can transfer it on the model together with the backing paper. Applying the sealant strip on straight sections is easy. Apply some decal setting solution on the canopy, place the decal and manipulate it into position. Remove the excess solution with dry brush or Q-tip and apply decal softening solution if necessary. For those more complicated curves, the process is the same. But we need more time to manipulate the decal, so we have to add more water or setting solution on the canopy. It is difficult to measure the exact length that we need, so it's better to have a strip longer than necessary. Once the decal is in place, it's easy to trim the excess using the scalpel blade. Now that we have an awesome looking canopy, make sure you watch more of my tutorials. Thank you for watching this one, and until next time, happy modeling!